Floyd Shibambu says Jacob Zuma's children and family are stealing them Mkhonto party monies. Let us listen to this clip.
I think I said it elsewhere. There's also a group of people who are stealing money of Mkhonto. So like the organization is given money by parliaments and legislatures. Some of them, we charged them, by the way. Like Prince Mukotedi was the chairperson of, not the chairperson, he was the prosecutor. Prince Mukotedi is an experienced legal expert. We had charged some people for stealing money of Mkhonto.
And
So
you were
in
getting in
terms
the
of-
way of that.
Yes, because I was very firm on principle that organizational resources must be used strictly for organizational purposes. And then, of course, then they ran a campaign and said, and some of them will, of course, have hearing of President Zuma because some of them are family members to him. So
We
they
know
will
at
run a
least, we know at
campaign.
least of
So-
one family member.
so they'll run a campaign and then so every issue. So like, then but I was not perturbed. The mistake which also was made is that so some believed that MK was doing me a favor by making me Secretary General. I think it's the other way around, by the way. Like I was
Tell 'em
doing I was doing MK favor. Like to try to institutionalize it. And I never took anything. Like I'll take a basic salary, but majority of the things that will be done in MK, I will use my own resources. Like so because they couldn't have the respect of even buying banners and proper arrangements. I'll use my own resources to buy proper podiums and banners and have order in the organization with own resources without and never demanded anything from them. Even when I will travel, I'll travel with my own resources, domestically or internationally. I will never try to extract any resource from it. And then it was what it is. And and a lot of people, by the way, whom we got to lead with in MK, they got to appreciate the leadership roles that we play. That is why Africa My Way movement, majority of its leaders now come from Mkhonto and majority of it.
Okay, guys. Floyd Shibambu, after concluding the process of his Maibuye movement, has been going around giving interviews on different platforms, be it a mainstream or here on YouTube. So he's been giving interviews. One of the things that he has raised is that the reason he was kicked out of the Mkhonto party's post as the Secretary General, firstly, it is because Jacob Zuma believed that Floyd Shibambu was after his position, meaning Jacob Zuma believed that Floyd Shibambu wanted to hijack the Mkhonto party and take it away from him. Of course, this is something that was whispered to Jacob Zuma by those around him, your Duduzile, your Ntlamulo, and others, and your Kehleles with their fake intelligence reports. Secondly, he speaks about one of the reasons that he was at loggerheads with some of the senior members of Mkhonto party in the leadership. It is because he wanted to ensure that things are done structurally, meaning by developing the constitution and putting structures in place, Zuma's family were now having a difficulty in looting the monies of the party. So therefore, Floyd Shibambu became a stumbling block to them. He became a stumbling block to them. So of course, that they had to devise the means. They had to devise the means of removing him from that position because they were no longer able to loot the way they wanted to loot. And we know that reports of the monies that has gone missing, especially in the KwaZulu-Natal legislature. And we know that the people have been fingered there, the people who carry the Zuma surname. Okay? So that there's credibility in what Floyd Shibambu is saying. Therefore, puts credibility to what some of us have been saying, that Mkhonto party over time has proven to be nothing but a family fiefdom. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebus Kosan.